Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got one of my favorite videos to actually do on the channel. All of these videos are kind of my favorite. I fuck with all of them. I mean, I just do whatever the fuck I want. But I love car crash compilations. You know, these bitches are fucking, they're interesting. You know, and it's only 10 minutes, so you probably could watch the full thing. I don't, if I shut up, you know, don't talk throughout 10 minutes of it. Bro, that's not funny. That's a fade, bro. If
Бля.
the
Ой,
Mercedes,
господи,
the
царица
Benz,
небесная, ты чё, дури... Ой, вы идиот, а?
fucked up the Benz. These all have to be foreign countries. Yeah, I don't think that car was supposed to be doing that, bro.
I
What
guess
the
I could
fuck?
do this tribute later, like tomorrow.
Sure.
I got some good clips. I do.
Today's the actual 30th anniversary.
Yeah, today is the act.
Damn, that's some fucked up shit right there. No, it wasn't that bad, but let's just roll that back. Even if you're not paying attention, like, bro, what are you doing, bro? Like, how can you possibly do this? That's a bad accident. That nigga could have got killed. That's a fucking little T-bone. Oh shit! No way that car flipped over. Weak ass fucking car. And why are these? Bro, why are you going that fast when it's clearly super slippery? And then you just start like, no wonder you just start hydroplaning, bro. Like, what did you expect to happen? You're just, this is some shit that I would do if I'm trying to kill myself. Like if I'm trying to die, bro, this is what I'm gonna do. Go like 100 down this fucking road and just start hydroplaning. You probably wasn't going 100, probably like 80, 70, I don't know, but still, ooh, you're lucky.
Полицейский, скажем так. Ты ж посмотри.
Bro, they have to be fighting for the wheel. There's no way. What the fuck? I think I missed what happened there. Wow. You could just tell if they were gonna speed away. The fuck was that?
Come on, see, I knew it. I knew it. He'll drive himself. See you later.
You saw her, bro? She was immediately like, what the fuck, bro? Watch how she puts her hand up.
пачки.
Что случилось?
Авария.
I saw what happened, but that was just.
Oh, you bastard!
You bastard. Like, bro, what the fuck? Bro, I want to know what these people are doing when they're fucking driving. That shit could have killed him. T-boned him. Like a passenger. He must have ran the red light, this guy, because this is green. Jeez. The fuck? Yikes. Alright, we back. Nah, don't tell me the dog gets hit. I can't watch this. The other dog's good. Okay. Dumbass. Straight dumbass. That I'd be so pissed if I was the fucking no. He's trying to dip.
Ни хрена себе.
Excuse me? What the no. Yo, no. Yo. What the fuck? That did not look like a good car accident. Like, are they just they're not slowing down when turning? What the fuck are you doing?
Oh no.
1-1. I have David Blaine. I have dinner and a movie.
That nigga got. Oh, he got hit by that. Dude. Like, I don't understand those things, man. That's fucked up. That's a bad one. For sure. That's a bad. That was a bad crash. That truck doesn't even. That shit's not even stopping, bro. I mean, he probably is, but he couldn't. Illegal U-turn. Oh, there's children in here, bro. They better not get hit. Poor children. Bang. Oh, that was nothing. That's fucked for the car. That's for sure. Bro, people like that are fucking just retarded who don't look when they're fucking merging lanes. Like, bro, look how much fucking cars are around you. How can you not look like, even if it's a blind spot, like, you better check twice, bro.
Madre.
That guy just went on with his day, bro.
Whoa.
Like, how often do hit and runs happen, man? That ass. Another Benz, bro. Pretty sure that was Benz.
Авария, вон впереди меня.
Dude, I'm always like tripped out about that shit. Like, just like watching that shit happen. Like when, like while you're like just like driving your shit. Bro, dumbass, dumbass. I'll never understand that shit. But that was Ultimate Car Crash Compilation 2021. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and sub. And yeah, that's been the video, guys. Peace.